Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add underwater effects into your design in Canva or using Canva desktop version. All you have to do now, you can open this Canva. You can download from official website for free. Don't forget to sign up with your account. And here we go. You can click apps in order to start. Click design essentials. Now you can scroll down and try to find the Liquify. Get a liquid motion style with Liquify. Liquify warps your images to add a drippy, wavy, melted or underwater vibe. So you can click use in new design or you can use in existing design. So for example, you already have a project. So let's have one, and here we go. So I do have split image here. So here, let's try the melt or the wobble, flow, smudge or smear. So here, for example, let's try the flow. So you can try to adjust the melt amount, melt scale, wobble amount, wobble scale, and also the smear. So if you think this is done, you just simply click save. You can combine with other effect. Here we go. So feel free to try to experience underwater vibe into your design. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.